Does refinancing my car loan affect my gap insurance refund eligibility? If you are refinancing your car loan, you might be curious about how it impacts your guaranteed asset protection insurance, commonly known as gap insurance. This type of insurance is designed to cover the difference between what your car is worth and what you owe on your loan if your vehicle is totaled or stolen. It is important to understand how refinancing your loan can change your gap insurance situation. When you refinance your car loan, you are essentially paying off your original loan with a new one, often from a different lender. Since gap insurance is linked to your original loan, refinancing typically ends your current gap policy. Most gap insurance providers do not automatically transfer your coverage to the new loan. Therefore, if you want to maintain that protection, you will need to purchase a new gap policy for your refinanced loan. If you paid for your gap insurance upfront, you may be eligible for a prorated refund for the unused portion of your policy when you refinance. This refund is based on how much time is left on your policy after you pay off your original loan. Generally, your gap insurance provider will issue this refund after your loan is settled. However, you may need to actively request this refund, as it is not always given automatically. On the other hand, if you opted for monthly payments for your gap insurance, you will simply stop making those payments after refinancing. In this case, no refund will be issued since you have only paid for the coverage you used during the time your original loan was active. It is also essential to note that gap insurance is separate from your regular auto insurance. Your standard auto insurance policy remains in effect even after refinancing, but your gap coverage does not continue unless you secure a new policy. Always check with your gap insurance provider to understand their specific refund process and requirements. To ensure you are protected against owing more than your car is worth after a total loss, consider purchasing a new gap insurance policy after refinancing. This will provide the same financial protection that your previous policy offered for your original loan. In summary, refinancing your car loan does affect your gap insurance refund eligibility, particularly if you paid for the policy upfront. Be proactive about requesting your refund and obtaining new coverage if necessary. This way, you can maintain financial protection and avoid unexpected costs if your car is totaled or stolen after refinancing.